Do you want to save a web page as a PDF so you can read it later or keep a copy of it? You can do it directly from Samsung Internet without taking screenshot. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Open the web page you want to save. Then tap the More icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down the menu. Then tap Print or PDF. A print preview will appear at the top. Make sure the printer is set to save as PDF. By default, all pages from the web page are selected. You can review the pages here, and if there are pages you don't want to include, simply uncheck them. Once you have selected the pages you want to save, tap the PDF icon at the top. Now, choose the folder where you want to save the PDF. Tap Save. The selected pages from the web page are now saved as a PDF in the folder you choose. And that's how to save a web page as a PDF using Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.